Even with that said, there's been a number of analyst notes that have gone out specifically on Tesla, downgrading the stock, but also reiterating the long-term play.
Right.
In terms of where they stand in EVs particularly. Is that where you stand on that stock? Is it just about the incredible run-up that we have seen and this entry point just not being sustainable?
Yeah, and I'm more of a technical analyst, but yes, I agree with that because I believe in the future of AI. I believe in the future of EVs as I do AI. The thing is that we're hitting some double top and triple top resistance in the tech space, and it's the angle that it's gone up on that I do think that it never hurts to take some money off the table, because what happens is you have these massive moves and then people tend to hang on and they sort of round trip. And particularly in this environment, volatility has been very muted, but I do expect that the VIX is going to go up into a higher range as things start to occur later in the year. And that's going to, affect tech and affect Tesla's.
Tesla's influence going beyond electric cars? The automaker has a business that's been generating over $1 billion in revenue for 3 quarters running and has grown at 149% year over year. The total addressable market opportunity for this business is massive, maybe even bigger than automotive itself. From solar panels to energy storage solutions, Tesla is redefining the way we generate and consume power. Today we venture beyond Tesla's iconic electric cars and delve into the realm of renewable energy. We're also going to shed light on Tesla's energy business and why it holds the key to a sustainable future. So prepare to be amazed as we unveil Tesla's remarkable growth story and how it's going to shape the energy landscape. But first, let's see how the company is currently performing.
How should we be thinking about what's already implied in Tesla's market value, and where do you think it can go?
Look, Tesla for us is an incredibly powerful long-term story. As we've talked about over the last 6 months, they did something that was pretty smart, in our opinion. They cut prices to stoke unit demand in the hopes of, over time, increasing the penetration of their FSD software. Right now, that FSD software costs $15,000. And we estimate that globally it has about high single-digit penetration rate. Over time, we expect that to get a lot higher, and we're in print saying that we think that the company should probably lower that price from $15,000 to probably something like $10,000. And so when you think about what that does to the margin profile of the firm over a long-term period, it's huge, right? Right now, as Phil alluded to, the company broke its promise, and its margins, its auto gross margins were below 20%. They were 18%. Now those margin expectations are subdued for the rest of the year. We think there are some tailwinds even in the near term because those price cuts kind of stopped over the last couple of months. But over a long-term period, if they could increase that penetration rate of FSD software, which is real-world AI, the margins of the firm should go a lot higher over the next 3 to 5 to 10 years.
Tesla's energy storage business has been growing steadily since its inception in 2015 and has recently hit critical mass, generating over $1 billion in revenue every quarter since Q3 2022. While this business is still only a small portion of the company's overall sales revenue, there is still a lot of growth potential for Tesla here. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla is in an excellent large-scale position to be a contender for one of the most significant growth markets of the next 2 decades. The automaker is not just an electric vehicle company, but it's an energy innovator. And while Tesla's electric vehicles have gained global recognition, its energy business has quietly been making waves in the industry. So why is Tesla's energy business expected to grow at an astonishing pace? Let's find out. But before we do, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything happening with Tesla. One of the driving forces behind Tesla's energy business growth is the increased demand for renewable energy solutions. As the world becomes more environmentally conscientious, the need for sustainable power sources has never been greater. Tesla's energy products like solar panels and energy storage solutions provide reliable and clean energy alternatives for residential and commercial customers. Tesla's energy storage solutions, like the Powerwall and the Powerpack, are game changers in the industry. These cutting-edge battery systems allow users to store excess energy generated from renewable sources and use it as needed. With the increasing adoption of solar power, Tesla's energy storage solutions offer a way to harness and utilize this energy efficiently, even during non-sunlight hours or power outages. Tesla has a strong vision for a sustainable future, and its energy business aligns perfectly with the company's overarching mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. And this is obvious in a number of ways. First, by expanding its energy offerings, Tesla aims to create a holistic ecosystem that integrates clean transportation and energy solutions. This vision not only benefits individual customers, but also contributes to a greener and more sustainable future for all. Also, a key factor driving the rapid growth of Tesla's energy business is the synergies it creates with electric vehicle business. Tesla's energy products can work in harmony with its electric vehicles, forming an integrated system that maximizes energy efficiency. For example, Tesla owners can charge their vehicles using solar energy generated by Tesla's solar panels, creating a closed-loop ecosystem that reduces reliance on traditional energy sources. Tesla's energy business is also perfectly poised for rapid growth due to favorable government policies and market opportunities. Governments worldwide are increasingly incentivizing the adoption of renewable energy, providing subsidies and tax benefits to individuals and businesses investing in clean energy solutions. This support, combined with the growing demand for sustainable energy, creates a conducive environment for Tesla's energy business to thrive. If you're a Tesla investor, then being well informed about the magnitude of this Tesla business is very crucial for your investment journey. Tesla's 2023 Investor Day presentation started with a huge focus on how the world can run on more sustainable energy and rely less on fossil fuels over time. So it's strikingly clear that shaking up the energy landscape is also on Elon Musk's mind. It's extremely difficult to try and predict with any reasonable level of accuracy what Tesla will look like in 10 years' time. It could be the same as it is now, selling more high-end EVs than its rivals, and those might be fully self-driving. Or it could generate most of its revenue from energy initiatives, at which point it would be an even more important business on the world stage than it is today. A discussion about Tesla's future isn't complete without taking a look at the possibility of full self-driving vehicles. While it may seem like a long way off, and it may be a bit of a pipe dream for now, there's a sizable chunk of cars on the road that could be autonomous, and they might be from Tesla. And they've got the potential to supercharge its business, and it could be really good for Tesla. Tesla can earn subscription fees from people who choose to enhance their cars with FSD capabilities, all because there is this software, and the margins could be extremely high, providing a boost to the overall company's bottom line. It is, however, pretty important to note that Tesla's expanding global footprint plays a significant role in its projected growth. The company's strategic expansion plans and entry into the new market will pave the way for increased sales and market dominance. As Tesla establishes a stronger presence worldwide, it's expected that there's going to be a surge in demand for its vehicles, which will further fuel its growth trajectory. It's easy to believe that Tesla's growth strategy will be looking very different from what it is during and up to this point, which mainly involved selling more of its cars in its markets. Beyond this, Tesla can also include and introduce new models like the Cybertruck and Semi. However, even though analysts like Ross Gerber are very bullish on investing in electric vehicles, many have noted the general investment risks, which should be considered even when putting money into a very promising venture like EVs. Overall, though, it is clear that Tesla's energy business is primed for remarkable growth. With its innovative energy storage solutions, commitment to sustainability, and synergies with its EV business, Tesla is poised to revolutionize the energy landscape. By investing in Tesla's energy business, not only can individuals benefit from clean and efficient power solutions, but they can also contribute to a greener future for generations to come. However, you should remember that investing in any stock does carry its own risks, and it is essential to conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. But what do you think about Tesla's energy business? Let us know down below, and let us know what your valuation of Tesla is. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.